Tired of spending hours scrubbing your bathroom once a week? What if I told you that just 10 minutes a day can keep your bathroom spotless, fresh, and easy to maintain? Welcome back. In today's video, I'll walk you through a simple daily bathroom cleaning routine that saves time, reduces build-up, and keeps your space looking fresh every single day. A daily bathroom cleaning routine is a short, consistent process of tidying and disinfecting high-touch and high-use areas to prevent dirt, stains, and bacteria from building up. Step-by-step practical guide. 1. Start by opening a window or turning on the exhaust fan for ventilation. 2. Clear countertops by putting away products and wiping them with a disinfectant spray. 3. Wipe down the sink and faucet with a microfiber cloth or sponge. 4. Quickly scrub the toilet bowl with a toilet brush and wipe the seat and handle with disinfectant. 5. Use a squeegee or cloth to wipe water spots from mirrors and shower glass. 6. Sweep or vacuum the bathroom floor. 7. Finish by replacing towels and emptying the trash if needed. Microfiber cloths for streak-free cleaning. Disinfectant spray or wipes for surfaces. Toilet brush for bowl cleaning. Squeegee for mirrors and shower glass. Small handheld vacuum or broom for the floor. Quick tips. Keep a small cleaning caddy in your bathroom to save time. Use disposable wipes for quick sink and faucet touch-ups. Train family members to squeegee the shower after use. This prevents hard water stains. Cost comparison. Daily quick clean routine costs about 20 to 30 cents a day in cleaning products. Skipping daily cleaning often leads to heavy-duty scrubbing once a week, costing more in products and time, sometimes double. Morning. Wipe sink and faucet after brushing teeth. Evening. Quick toilet scrub and mirror wipe. Before bed. Sweep the floor and empty trash if full. The key is consistency. Professional cleaners stress that short, daily routines reduce long-term wear and tear on bathroom surfaces. Regular upkeep extends the life of tiles, fixtures, and mirrors. So remember: clear, wipe, scrub, sweep, and refresh. Just 10 minutes a day keeps your bathroom guest ready and sparkling all week long. If this daily routine feels doable, try it out tonight. Share your results in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart cleaning guides.